Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm having a part 3 of my previous video on how to make image editor in Thunkable.com learning image properties. So before we start coding, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to my channel and ring the notification bell to never miss out any new videos. So without further ado, let's get started. We had done the whole design and now we're moving on to the blocks. So now in screen when button 1 is clicked, we need to go to controls, navigate to photo screen. So once we click on the button 1, we're going to go to the photo screen, and that's the button 1. So now I'm going to click on photo screen in the design and click on blocks. So now when I'm going to go to controls, not controls actually, we're going to go to click photo. That's the button. So when click photo click, we're gonna get the camera one in camera called take photo. So when the take photo is done, that means when the photo is taken, when the photo, that means like, how do I explain this, guys? So when you click on the button, you take a photo of yourself. Yeah. So when that's done, I'm going to click on photo. That is the photo. We're going to set the photo. So from photo, set picture to here. When you can see the photo, I'm going to copy paste it, add it over there. Set picture to photo, and then I'm going to copy paste it once again. You can set the resize mode if you want, but it's not that, it's not compulsory. So I'm just going to click on contain, so that how much it needs, it'll keep that much. So now when we click on zoom, we're going to go to photo again, set height and width both, set height and width to, we're going to go to math, there, again go to math, get the photo there, and the photo I'm going to copy paste it. It does show an error, but it actually works. So plus 10 and 10. It just shows the error like you can't do that, but it actually works. I don't know, for some reason. See, variable is out of scope, as you saw. So now I'm going to again copy paste it. When shrink click photo, we're going to minus. I'm just going to minus 10. Okay. And now we're all ready. Okay, so let it just auto save the work. I'm going to wait for a while because it's auto saving the work. And I'm going to click on design. So Thunkable.com is not that reliable. It has a lot of errors. So I'm not sure that if it works. So I'm going to click on preview. Okay, it's starting from photo screen, but it should start from screen 1. That's the problem in Thunkable.com. It's fine. So now click a photo. Okay. So now I'm going to click photo. As I told you guys, Thunkable.com has a lot of errors, so it's not working now. So thank you guys. Thank you guys for watching this video. Make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and ring the notification bell to never miss out any new videos. Goodbye.